In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets based on another cell. Let's break it down step by step so you can easily follow along and apply these techniques to your own projects. To kick things off, I've set up a simple demonstration. Imagine we have a rectangle made up of rows and columns. These are the cells we're going to conditionally format. Beside this rectangle on the left, there's a single cell. This cell is our input box, where we'll enter a value that will determine the color format of the rectangle. To start, the first thing we need to do is select the group of cells that we want to apply the conditional formatting to. Once you've highlighted these cells, look towards the top of your screen and find the Format menu. Click on it, and you'll see the option for Conditional Formatting in the drop-down list that appears. Clicking on Conditional Formatting opens a new pane on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Under Format Rules, you'll find several options to choose from, but for our purpose today, we're going to select Custom Formula Is. This option allows you to precisely define how the cells should be formatted based on the content of another cell. Let's dive a little deeper into this. Now, we need to input a custom formula. In our demonstration, I'll type in the equal sign, followed by the address of the cell we'll reference from our input box. To make this work correctly, you'll want to lock both the row number and the column letter of the cell's address. You can do this by adding $signs before both parts, essentially saying to Google Sheets, look at this exact cell, and don't move around when we're applying this rule. After this cell reference, we will add an equal sign followed by the number 1. This tells Google Sheets that when the input box contains the number 1, changes should occur. Once you've set up your formula, the next step is to pick the format you want to apply. For our example, let's choose to change the fill color of the cells to red. You can select any format you prefer, whether it's a different color, bold text, or italics. The choice is yours. Now, the moment you enter 1 into the input box, watch as all those selected cells turn a bold shade of red. This dynamic formatting is a powerful feature that can help you visually highlight data-driven scenarios in any way you need. You can test this out with different numbers or conditions to truly see its capabilities. It's an excellent tool for creating spreadsheets that are not only functional, but also visually intuitive. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting.